Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Flee Police with Your Hood Open."
This 26-year-old being pursued by the police cannot see what's in front of him at all, and what he's about to do will leave 4 juveniles vomiting, knocked into near lifelessness and suffering from brain bleeding.
Is it a white Dodge?
Yes, it's a white Dodge Ram 2500.
I can't. I'm right behind it. Driving on the wrong lanes of traffic.
What the hell?
Permission to pit. 210, I'm right behind that vehicle. We're continuing westbound on Evans.
He got kids in the car?
210, I'm continuing east. I'm going southbound now. Vehicles driving through the grassed area.
After speeding up to 70 miles per hour in a 30-mile-per-hour zone, he lost control at a sharp curve, sending the truck flying off an 8-foot embankment. The impact was so violent the hood flew open, completely blocking his view.
How is this guy still driving with the hood up? No! Damn it. We got
What
4 cars.
a freaking idiot.
Cherry. Crash, 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 crash.
Let me see your hands! Show me your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands up! Hands.
Look at how much the truck is smushed in. The front is pretty much in the back. Like, oh, wow. No way.
Stop!
Looks like we got 3, 4 involved, one sitting over this way.
Okay, come here. Come here. Now watch out.
All right, you sit still, okay?
No, I'm okay. I just.
I got let's leave us.
We're just gonna rip him out of the window.
They go, let's.
Please don't. I got touch on my side. I don't care. You chose this.
We have fire coming, okay? Sit back.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Okay.
Can you open your eyes for me?
Just take some deep breaths, okay?
Don't move.
Don't move him, don't move.
Don't move.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow. I'm trying. My legs are caught, okay?
Yeah.
It sucks. Ow. Ow. On the ground. Ow. I'm trying.
Man, they should have. See, it's these small little details, but they should have put them in the ground in a puddle. Small little details like that, these guys need. You know what I'm saying? Putting the community at risk like that. Small little details. Small little details. You see this puddle that's behind them? Small little details. That's it. He got to come out the car, and we got to put him down. But let's put him down in the puddle. Look. Yep. Scumbag, man.
You okay? Where are you hurting at? In your stomach? Okay, let me see you. Is that your seatbelt? Is that what that is?
There's nobody else in the car.
No, but this guy's not doing it. Let me open this door.
Okay.
Ready?
You and I, I'm going to have you pull, and I'm going to get to the middle of his torso.
Sounds
all
good.
right?
All right.
What else hurting you besides your head?
My head doesn't hurt.
Okay.
She was complaining of back pain as well.
Okay.
It's just like right here, just kind of hurts. Your hips? Okay. Yeah.
Hey, buddy. What's your name? Don't move. What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
You're good. Hold on. Relax.
It's a lot.
I know. They're really checking on your friend. Your friend in the back. He needs to. No. He's a little.
I know. He's much okay.
They're trying to make sure that he's okay first.
Let's start.
Might have to pull him that way.
Can you guys help us rip this door? Ready? Don't move him.
Stabilize his neck. You're good. You're good, bro. You're okay.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. You're doing good, man. You're doing all right, okay?
The suspect was identified as 26-year-old Michael. According to reports, Michael had stolen the pickup just the day before, and the incident began shortly after he left his girlfriend on the side of the road following a heated argument. Frustrated and reckless, he sped off, ultimately leading to a devastating head-on collision with a white sedan.
Come on over here. I got the bad guy right here. All right.
I got him, man. Just walking back to the car. I can't get up. You can't get up? No. Okay. Do we have medical service?
What'd you see, bro?
I've seen that damn truck going about 80, 90 miles an hour, man, and his hood was up.
Hey, you're doing good, buddy. We got you, okay?
I'm sorry, man.
He couldn't see where he was going. He was looking outside his window, trying to see where he was going, and then the traffic started to come on. Plowed right into that car.
Let go, I got it.
Can you move your legs? I can't.
Was he looking out the window?
Huh?
Was he looking out the window?
Yeah, his head was out the window like that because he couldn't see because his hood come up, you know?
Okay. Look at me. You're doing good, man. You're doing all right, okay?
Please don't die, bro.
What do you mean fast? Can you just describe it a little bit better for me?
Yeah.
As best you can.
He's saying that not to have any sympathy for him, but because if he does pass away, guess where he'll be spending the rest of his life? Something like that, reckless like that, driving with your hood up, no care, going 80. Yeah. Wow. He better hope and pray that guy don't. He better hope. He better be like this. Cause you're done. Even things like this, he should be done regardless. But we know that that's not how the law goes. You know what I mean? They're not gonna sentence him to life for just a car accident. You know what I mean? Like, somebody got to pass away for something like that to really, for him to really get some significant time. Something like this, if he doesn't pass away, say maybe 12 years, something like that.
And that other
That'll be my
car
guess.
spun out of that lane and came into this lane.
Okay, so the truck, you mean?
Yeah.
The truck spun into this lane and just head on with the...
Directly head on.
Okay, so we went south up until it, and where that curve is a jewel, the truck just went straight. Like, it was absurd.
Is he alive?
Yep.
Is he alive?
Yeah, they're still alive, man. Okay. All right.
I'm sorry, man.
Just kind of witness it, you know?
Wild, man, because wasn't even that car's fault.
No.
You better hope.
All right, go ahead.
Can you call my mom and let her know what just happened?
How old are you, man?
26.
26, so we're not going to call your mom. You're an adult, okay?
Um,
Well, you guys load these ones up.
we were driving, and then
Going that way?
yeah, going this way in the car. We saw the car. There, the hood was open, and it was swerving.
He's definitely gonna be going back to prison for more than 10 years.
Ready? What are we doing?
Susano is definitely gonna be going back to prison for more than 10 years now.
Back to prison? So you've been there before. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Drag him.
This guy was kind of the right lane, then swerved into our lane. So we swerved left because there were no cars coming this way to get out of the way, and he did the right for him. He swerved right, like straight.
To make matters worse for Michael, investigators revealed that he had taken crystal meth earlier that day, a factor that may have pushed his road rage into overdrive. And it turns out, this wasn't his first time getting into trouble. According to reports, he had prior arrests for vehicle theft, identity theft, fraud, forgery, and had also allegedly failed to maintain his status on the sex offender registry in another county. But this time, the consequences went far beyond anything he had faced before.
Listen to everything that they just named. And this guy is only 26 years old and already has a rap sheet like that and is an ex-offender. Just put a bullet in him, man. I mean, honestly, just get it over with. He is a complete waste. This guy does nothing but bring harm to people. Just get rid of him. Bye. See ya. Just get out of here. causing nothing but harm to people, man. 26 years old, and you already have a rap sheet that long. At that age, people are just starting off in their careers. You know, just really getting their feet wet. They go to college for 4 years, maybe 6 if they're gonna extend. You're getting out of college 22 to, we'll say 22 to 24, somewhere in there, right? It depends on what you go for. But you're just getting your feet wet. Let's just say 22 years old. You get out of college, 22 years old, 18 to 22. Maybe it'll take you a year to find a good job, you know, something, you know, a career, not a job, a career. So now you're about 23, 24. You finally got your career, getting your feet wet, you know. By this time, you know, 26, 27, moving up, you know, by that time you should be coming up on a raise or something. Meanwhile, this 26-year-old is an ex-offender, already been to prison, theft, on meth, just everything. Doing absolutely nothing with your life besides bringing pain and miserable pain and miserably. Is that the word? I don't know. Whatever. You know I got a list. But you know some shit don't come out right, man. But you know what I'm saying, though. You know what I'm saying, okay? Sometimes my list be lispering sometimes. You know what I mean? But pain and miserably. I don't know. But this is why I keep this raw and uncut, man. Who doing it like this? You don't see no edits, no nothing. This joint is raw and uncut. The only edit you gonna see is at the end where I put the little thing in there, you know, like, subscribe, and all that stuff at the end. That's all you gonna see. But everything from the moment we start rolling, it's straight through, baby. That's it. It's raw and uncut, man. But yeah, man, he's just messing up, you know, a whole bunch of families, man. He's messing up a whole bunch of families, you know. It is what it is. You know, if you're gonna go down that path, okay, you be a train wreck. Just fuck your own life up, but don't mess anybody else's up. You know, it's already bad enough that you're hurting yourself and you're probably hurting your family that loves you. But to be doing this stuff out there in the street and stuff, like, and messing up other families, these people, it look like the one girl, they probably going to the beach or something. I don't know what they doing, but they going about their business. They did not want this to be happening. They didn't think when they left their house to go do whatever it is that they're going to do today, that some maniac would be speeding down the road going 80 with his hood up and smash into him. And then he got brain matter just all over the place for the guy in the back seat. Like, come on, man. Just be done with him, man. We need the firing squad. You know, stuff like certain crimes, they just gotta go. It shouldn't only be, and I ain't even gonna go on my rant, man. It shouldn't only just be murder, man. This guy has a history and he hasn't learned. He's done. His time is up. It's over with.
And may be serious enough to keep him behind bars for a time. The consequences went far beyond anything he had faced before, and may be serious enough to keep him behind bars for a long, long time.
So it sounds like he was just driving, and then this dude got creamed from our system, and so it threw him from the front seat to the back seat.
I'm not entirely sure how this occurred, but the police were chasing a car, and that car hit. Right, the car that he's in. Okay. So that person's been arrested for all the charges, including vehicular assault on your son.
This vehicle was occupied ×4. We got all the information on those individuals. One of the 4 was relatively seriously injured, slight brain bleed. They're doing some, I guess they're just kind of keeping an eye on the person for now. They had some scans that they did and noticed a slight brain bleed and all that. This individual got jacked up pretty bad, but he's conscious. I mean, I guess he was fighting with the fire department when they first showed up. So this sod slid into him, so kind of crushed him a little.
Michael was rushed to a local hospital after suffering an injury to an artery in his neck. Meanwhile, the driver of the sedan somehow walked away unharmed. But aside from him, the others weren't as fortunate, as the remaining occupants suffered serious injuries, including one that was life-threatening. The front seat passenger was trapped inside the vehicle, complaining of head pain along with injuries to her back and pelvis. Another victim struggled to breathe, reporting a broken arm and a pelvis fractured in 2 places. But the worst injuries were suffered by the male backseat passenger, rendered unconscious on impact. He sustained severe trauma, including a broken jaw, a fractured sinus, and a minor brain bleed.
My son came to the ER with multiple brain bleeds and a broken jaw, and his sinus bones are fractured.
His family has set up a fundraiser to help pay for their medical bills, which will likely include rehab for Kaylin's traumatic brain injury.
Michael was charged with multiple offenses, including 2 counts of vehicular assault, DUI, and possession of paraphernalia. And while no verdict has been reached as of today, he could be facing anywhere from 8 to 12 years in prison. YouTube thinks you'll love the
What I'd say, I don't watch I'm telling you, I do not watch these videos ahead of time. What I said something like this, maybe about 12 years. Facing 8 to 12 years. When really someone like this with that history and everything like that, you just need to be done. We gave you too many chances. You already assaulted somebody. That right there is enough to, boy, get you out of here. You know what I'm saying? That right there is already enough. Then you've been stealing, you stealing vehicles, doing this, doing that, theft, fraud. Then you stole this vehicle again, like a different vehicle, and then you gonna run and come on, man. Like, he gonna go in there, do his, let's say he gets sentenced to 12 years, which he probably will get the max, because it seems like they showed a news clip and all that stuff. And a lot of times when things hit the news and stuff, it's heightened. It's a heightened case. So, you know, you gonna get hit. You know, so let's just say he gets the max. Okay, 12 years. Out of the 12 years, he'll probably do maybe 9. I say he'll probably do 9. 8, 9. He probably like 8, 9. 8.5 to 9 years. After that, he'll go on parole or whatever the case may be, and then harm somebody else. Then what? He's already done time before, because he said, I guess I'm going back to prison for 10 plus years now. So you already been to prison. This will be his 2nd time going. Yes, he's going for a longer period of time, but he's going to eventually get out and harm someone else. That's what happens. Most of it is a revolving door. Okay, it's a revolving door. In and out, prison, their whole life. In and out. Just messing up everyone's lives. In and out. Just mess your own life up. Why you gotta bring everybody else into it? Into your foolishness. Unbelievable, man. See, but now here's the edit part. Watch. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.